Hello everyone! Welcome to Review Infinite, the best product review channel on YouTube today. Today we're here again with another list of 5 best products on the market. These reviews are based on thousands of customer reviews and positive ratings. So, let's make a list of best products in this video.
5 best shower head filters. Number 5. Aqua Bliss Shower Multi-Stage Filter. Works for hard water. Easy installation. 30-day money-back guarantee. Item weight 15.2 ounces. Item model number SF220. Color chrome. Number 4. Aquasan AQ4100. Maintain strong water pressure. Multiple spray settings. 10,000 gallon or 6-month long cartridge. Simple replacements, no tools required. Item weight 2.3 pounds. Item model number AQ4100. Color white. Number 3. Aqua Bliss ABSF100. Universal design plus easy installation. 6 to 8 months, or after 10,000 to 12,000 gallons. 30-day money-back guarantee. 1 year, limited warranty. 12-stage filtration. Item weight 15.2 ounces. Manufacturer Aqua Bliss. Item model number ABSF100. Number 2. Culligan WSH C125.
No tools are required to install the Culligan wall mount shower head. Begin by removing the existing shower head from the shower pipe by turning shower head counterclockwise. Clean away any debris that may be present on the threaded pipe. Wrap supplied Teflon tape tightly around the shower pipe threads 2 to 3 turns to prevent leaking. Place wall mount shower head on arm and tighten by hand, turning clockwise. Turn water on and check for leaks and tighten as necessary. If additional tightening is necessary, use protective cloth on nut and tighten with wrench. Flush cartridge for 5 minutes. Note: after testing water flow of installed shower head and its determined flow is not adequate, the shower head flow restrictor located inside the swivel joint of the shower head can be removed. The flow restrictor restricts flow of water out of the shower head to 2.0 GPM. In areas of low water pressure where flow may already be below 2.0 GPM, you may opt not to use the flow restrictor. You are now ready to enjoy fresh shower-filtered Culligan water.
5 spray settings. 10,000 gallon or 6-month long cartridge. Easy to install. Item weight 2.38 pounds. Item model number WSH C125. Color chrome. Number 1. Vitamin C filter inline shower. Removes chloramine and chlorine. Goes with existing shower head. Easy setup. Wrench included in package. 4 months money back guarantee. Item weight 1.5 pounds. Item model number SUF 100V. Color silver.